Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly changing our world. From the way we communicate to how we work, AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives. It's not just a futuristic concept anymore, it's here, and it's evolving at an unprecedented pace. It's a powerful tool that can process information and make decisions. AI systems can analyze vast amounts of data in seconds, far surpassing human capabilities. In factories, robotic arms powered by AI are making real-time decisions to optimize production lines, ensuring efficiency and precision. AI learns from data, and this data comes from our online activity and real-world behavior. Every click, every search, every social media post contributes to the data pool that AI uses to learn and improve. Surveillance cameras in cities capture real-world behavior, feeding AI systems with information to enhance security and urban planning. AI is used in many areas, including healthcare, finance, and transportation. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnosing diseases and personalizing treatment plans. In finance, it predicts market trends and automates trading. Autonomous vehicles powered by AI are navigating our roads, promising safer and more efficient transportation. Current AI models are impressive. They can generate text, translate languages, and even write code. These capabilities are transforming industries, making tasks that once required human intelligence now achievable by machines. AI-generated content is becoming more prevalent, and language barriers are being broken down with advanced translation software, but they are not truly intelligent. Despite their advanced capabilities, AI systems lack genuine understanding and consciousness. They operate based on algorithms and data without the ability to think or feel like humans. They lack the common sense and understanding of the world that humans possess. AI can struggle with tasks that require nuanced judgment or emotional intelligence. For instance, a human can easily navigate a complex social situation using common sense, while an AI might fail to understand the subtleties involved. This lack of true intelligence raises ethical concerns. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, we must consider the moral implications. How do we ensure that AI is used responsibly and ethically? What happens when AI makes decisions that impact human lives? We must consider the potential consequences of AI. The decisions made by AI systems can have far-reaching effects, and it's crucial to understand the potential risks and benefits. Debates and discussions are ongoing about how to regulate and control AI to prevent misuse and ensure it serves the greater good. AI's power comes with responsibility. Those who develop and deploy AI technologies must be mindful of their impact. It's essential to strike a balance between harnessing AI's potential and safeguarding against its risks. Human oversight is necessary to ensure that AI systems operate within ethical boundaries. We must ensure it is used ethically. Policymakers, technologists, and ethicists must work together to create guidelines and regulations that promote the ethical use of AI. This collaboration is vital to address the complex challenges posed by AI and to protect society from potential harms. We need to address issues like privacy, bias, and the role of human judgment. AI systems can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in their training data, leading to unfair outcomes. Ensuring data privacy and incorporating human judgment in AI decision-making processes are critical steps to mitigate these risks. These issues are crucial for a future where AI benefits humanity. By addressing these challenges, we can pave the way for a future where AI enhances our lives, drives innovation, and contributes to the well-being of society. The rise of thinking machines holds great promise, but it also demands our careful consideration and responsible stewardship. AI systems rely on vast amounts of data. This data is collected from various sources, including our online activities, social media interactions, and even our smart devices at home. Every click, like, and share contributes to a massive pool of information that AI uses to learn and make decisions. This data is often personal and sensitive, raising concerns about privacy and surveillance. Personal data can include anything from our search history and location data to our private messages and financial information. The more data AI systems have access to, the more accurately they can predict our behavior, but this comes at a cost. Facial recognition technology is a prime example. It uses AI to identify and verify individuals based on their facial features. While it can be convenient for unlocking phones or tagging friends in photos, it also has significant implications for privacy. It can identify individuals in crowds and is used for This technology can help in finding missing persons or identifying suspects, but it also means that our faces can be tracked and recorded without our consent. This technology can track our movements and activities. From the moment we step out of our homes, we are potentially under surveillance. Our smartphones equipped with GPS can track our locations, and security cameras can monitor our every move. The use of AI in surveillance is growing, raising questions about our right to privacy. As AI becomes more integrated into our daily lives, the potential for misuse increases. There is a fine line between using AI for security and infringing on personal freedoms. Where is the line between security and intrusion? This is a question that society must grapple with. While some argue that surveillance is necessary for safety, others believe it is a step towards a surveillance state where our every move is watched. How can we ensure that AI is not used for mass surveillance? Experts suggest that clear regulations and ethical guidelines are essential. Policymakers and technologists must work together to create frameworks that protect individual privacy while allowing for the benefits of AI. These questions are critical in the age of AI. As we continue to develop and integrate AI technologies, we must remain vigilant about their impact on our privacy and freedoms. The balance between innovation and privacy will shape the future of our society. AI systems are created by humans, and humans have biases. These biases can be embedded in algorithms, leading to discriminatory outcomes. For example, biased algorithms have been used in hiring processes, unfairly disadvantaging certain groups. AI can perpetuate and even amplify existing inequalities. This is a serious concern. We must ensure that AI systems are fair and impartial. We need to develop methods to detect and mitigate bias in algorithms. This is essential for creating an equitable society. AI is increasingly used in decision-making processes, including areas like loan applications, criminal justice, and healthcare. While AI can bring efficiency, it also raises concerns. Can we rely on machines to make life-altering decisions? What happens when AI sees mamasi masa pambi kandis madaisum tombo sabi? The use of AI in these areas requires careful consideration. We must ensure that human oversight remains. We need to establish clear accountability for AI's decisions. This is crucial for maintaining fairness and justice in society. Section 5. AI for good healthcare, education, and a better tomorrow. AI has the potential to be a force for good. It is not just a tool for efficiency, but a transformative technology that can address some of the most pressing challenges in our society. From healthcare to education, AI's applications are vast and varied. It can revolutionize healthcare, education, and other fields. Imagine a world where diseases are diagnosed at their earliest stages, where treatments are tailored to individual genetic profiles, and where medical errors are significantly reduced. In healthcare, AI can help diagnose diseases earlier and develop personalized treatments. It can analyze vast amounts of medical data to find patterns that humans might miss, leading to more accurate diagnoses and better patient outcomes. AI can also assist in medical research, speeding up the discovery of new drugs and therapies. And in education, AI can provide personalized learning experiences. It can adapt to the learning pace and style of each student, offering customized resources and support. This can help bridge educational gaps and ensure that every student has the opportunity to succeed. These applications really demonstrate AI's positive potential. By integrating AI into various sectors, we can enhance productivity, improve quality of life, and create more equitable opportunities for all. It can improve our lives in countless ways, from smart home assistants that make daily tasks easier to AI-driven solutions that address environmental challenges. The possibilities are endless. By harnessing AI's power responsibly, we can create a better future for all. It's about using technology not just for profit, but for the greater good, ensuring that the benefits of AI are shared widely and equitably across society. Section 6. A world transformed. AI's long-term impact on society. The long-term impact of AI on society is still unfolding. AI will likely transform the job market. Some jobs will be automated. New jobs will emerge. This will require adaptation and retraining. AI's impact on human relationships is also uncertain. Will AI enhance our connections or lead to greater isolation? These are questions that we need to address as AI continues to evolve. Section 7. Building a responsible future, strategies for ethical AI development. Developing ethical AI requires a multifaceted approach. We need clear guidelines and regulations for AI development and use. Transparency is crucial. We need to understand how AI systems work and make decisions. Education and awareness are also essential. We need to educate ourselves about AI's potential benefits and risks. This will empower us to engage in informed discussions about AI's role in society. Section 8. The shifting sands. Recent developments in AI ethics and regulation. The field of AI ethics is constantly evolving. Governments and organizations worldwide are developing regulations and guidelines for AI. These efforts aim to address the ethical challenges posed by AI. For example, the European Union has proposed regulations to ensure AI is used ethically and responsibly. These regulations focus on high-risk AI systems. They aim to protect fundamental rights and safety. Section 9. Conclusion. Navigating the crossroads of AI and ethics. AI is a powerful tool with the potential to reshape our world. It presents both opportunities and challenges. By addressing the ethical concerns surrounding AI, we can harness its power for good. We must prioritize transparency, fairness, and accountability in AI development. We need to engage in ongoing dialogue and collaboration. This will ensure that AI benefits humanity and creates a more just and equitable future.